Okay, now we're going to tackle the G chord. So let's find a G chord. Start on this G. So it's just like the C chord except for it's different notes, okay? So we have G, B, D. That's our 1, 3, 5. Play those with me. Okay, and part of what you're doing is memorizing the notes in literally every chord. We did C, now we're going to do G. So you have to memorize that there's G, B, and D. B is the third, play that. Play the fifth, that's D. Play the root, that's G. Nice. Play the third, B. Play the root. What's the fifth? D. What's the third? B. Okay, and if you go back to the C chord, can we go back to C really quickly? So play the root, play the third, that's E, right? Play the fifth, that's G. Okay, so you can kind of quiz yourself. That's a good way to do that too. Quiz yourself on the scale degrees of each chord. But for now, let's learn how to play. So we're going to have our G chord. Now, to find first inversion, it's the same thing. You put your thumb on the third, which is B. Here's you put your second finger on D, and you put your pinky on the root up top. That's G. That's first inversion. It's the same fingering as you played on the C chord. So let's go back to root position. Just play a bunch of those. Now let's go to first inversion. Take your time. Let's go back to root position. Yeah, just like you're bouncing on a trampoline. Go up to first inversion. It's okay if it takes you a second to find it. Good. Okay. So let's play 4 of each. 1, 2, ready, root position. First inversion. Back to root position. First inversion. Good. Now we're going to go to second inversion. And you're going to you're starting on the fifth, right? Starting on the D with your thumb. Put your middle finger on the root, G. And your pinky's on the third. You always have those 3 notes. They're just scrambled up depending on the inversion. Okay? So there's second inversion. Try that. Ready, go. That should be easier since you did it on C. Let's try first inversion. It's okay if it takes you a minute to get there. Let's go to root position. First inversion. Should be easier since you did the C chord. And then second inversion. Now we're going to go up to root position up here. Let's go down to second inversion. Let's go to first inversion. And let's play in root position. So if I said play G in root position, that's easy, right? How about if I said play G in first inversion? How about if I said second inversion G? Great. See if you can go up and down like this. That's a good benchmark to make sure you really know how to do this. Let's try it together really slow. Root position. First inversion. Second inversion. Root position. Back to second. First inversion. Root. And then try to get yourself to go back to C and try it on C again. Okay. Practice that, play as many times as you need to, and then head over to the assignment for G inversions.